there are two questions. How could you know the energy particle is having self-rotation force? Whereas, so far scientists are not able to understand the existence and functions of the energy particle. How could you say one thing? How could you prove the space is almighty? Two questions. Now I am going to explain. Now you are seeing the earth rotating so well and coming around. Not only the earth, sun. Sun is having self-rotation, completing one circle in 25 days. Similar to that, every planet is having its own self-rotative force. If association of energy particle mass is having self-rotative force, where it is coming from? Now we have to think what constituted the mass. Only energy particle. Association of energy particle is mass. So, if self-rotation is not in the energy particle, the collective force of energy particle mass will not have the self-rotation. Therefore, we have to find out. Energy particle is having the self-rotation. Wherever it joins together, jointly they are working as self-rotation. This is the answer. Second, how can we say the space is almighty? Then, what is the mightier in your mind in the universe? Because of the mightier is a weight or clash. That is a force. Which is mightier? Can you say the earth is mightier or sun is mightier? So many things, all right. Where are they? Simply see, you are seeing all the celestial bodies, whatever the weight may be, all are easily floating and rotating and moving only on the space. When the space is not mightier than the celestial bodies, how can it float? We are seeing, we are knowing clearly. Therefore, the space is not nothingness. It is the powerful one, static state. Without a static, there is no dynamic. There is one action, movement. When you go on reducing the movement or action, where it will end? No movement. That is static. So, in this way, the whole universe is functioning with a universal magnetism. Every particle is having a self-rotation and producing spreading wave. The particles are joining and making the forms, structure. In between the structure, the shadow wave, spreading wave becomes magnetism, pressure, sound, light, smell and taste and mind produced. What more you are seeing in the universe? Therefore, the whole body, the magnetic force is full. The same magnetic force is converted because of the clash, converted into sound. If you go on doing that, it will become heat. I give, this is pressure. When I give more pressure, it gives some sound. when heat. When the sound and heat come, they are collectively called as electricity. Then the same magnetism is transformed in the liquid and solid smell and taste. This is the chemical. So the whole universe you can analyze into 4 core principles: static, energy particle, spreading wave, magnetism. And the 6 results: pressure, sound, light, smell, taste and mind. Nothing more.